With all the responsibilities that we carry throughout our lives, whether it's our work, at home, being a parent, having kids, taking care of ourselves, it seems like this idea of work-life balance is impossible to reach. But what if I were to tell you that whole idea is actually a myth? I'm Thomas Edwards, creator and author of The One-Up Effect, helping high-performing professionals have fun becoming their most complete self through purpose, play, passion, and performance. In this video today, I'm going to share with you why work-life balance doesn't really exist, and instead, one thing that you should actually be in pursuit of. The whole idea of work-life balance has always felt strange to me. First of all, the fact that work is first and not life, I thought that was really awkward. And the idea of balance, when I think about balance, I think about this idea of trying to balance two things like work and life. And it's never this still moment of balance that we're able to maintain. It's constantly moving and changing because that's our lives. Our lives are constantly moving and changing. And sometimes we have more responsibilities in work than we do in life. And then life will inevitably happen, and then all of a sudden we have more responsibilities in life that maybe could be more than work. And so what is balance? What does balance actually look like? Well, to me, balance is a single moment in time where you're actually able to support the weight of more than one thing. And for so many people who are in pursuit of this idea of work-life balance, they're in pursuit of something that can only happen for one moment. And we're led to believe that this idea of work-life balance is what's going to lead to happiness. But the truth is, it's only going to lead to one moment. And then when that moment passes, you're once again in the pursuit of trying to experience that balance again. And this leads us into this never-ending loop of trying to pursue something that doesn't really exist. So instead of work-life balance, what do we look for instead? What do we try to go after? What is something that feels more attainable? In my opinion, I believe it's life synergy. See, work is just one component of what makes up your entire life. And your life is so much greater than the sum of its parts. Yes, you have a job. Yes, you have kids. Yes, you might be a partner or a spouse. And you might also have some other familiar ties and responsibilities and roles that you play in your life. But those are just roles that you play. They don't identify or make up who you are. The idea of synergy is that you bring everything together and it becomes part of what makes up what I believe is an amazing life that you personally want to create. And when you're in this place of synergy, it becomes this perpetual process. It's not something that you aspire to for one moment and then it goes away. This is something that you get to experience all the time. And once you get a perfect idea of what synergy looks like in your life, you actually have the power to maintain that moving forward, which means it doesn't go away. It's not something that you have to pursue again or becomes this never-ending cycle. Life synergy becomes the new way of understanding what it means to experience what we have known before as work-life balance. But this is what I think. Comment below, let me know what you think. What is your idea around work-life balance? Do you believe that it actually exists? Does what I say or what I said before make sense to you? And what about this idea of life synergy? Is this something that you feel like you could get behind? Does this make more sense in terms of how you want your life to look when it comes to feeling happy and fulfilled? Let me know. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, get notified when we put out videos, which happen almost every single day. And if you found this video interesting or inspiring, please share this with someone who might find it interesting or inspiring too. I'd love to get them in on the conversation and hear what they have to say. And of course, if you want to understand the exact process and science behind leveling up all areas of your life, including health, wealth, self, and romance, have fun, and not feel the need to sacrifice your professional ambition or personal happiness, you can go to thomasedwardsjr.com. Once again, this is Thomas Edwards reminding you to make life a game that you can win and have fun playing. Until next time, I'll see you around.